So our next, we're going to do kind of mule variations. I just like saying it that way because I think it makes Tom Waits proud. When we do a Moscow Mule here, we do it over crushed ice because I just like it better that way. That's not the original version, of course. The original version is ginger beer and vodka and a copper mug. Most of those other things are, I don't find it very exciting. I prefer it over crushed ice. I think it's a more interesting experience that way. And now that the Moscow Mule is popular, there's, every different spirit has to get its own mule. So we're going to go through a Kentucky Mule, but if you replace it with whatever spirit you want, Mexican Mule, you can use tequila or mezcal, or a Oaxacan Mule, I guess, is the mezcal version. So yet another thing we can use our ginger syrup for, but this one calls for crushed ice, as I just said. So we're going to crush some ice. This is a Lewis bag, and this is a mallet. We're going to fill this bag with ice, and we're going to use this mallet and make crushed ice. Okay. Okay. Got some ice in there, folding it over. Guess we can just do it right up here, can't we? So then you just hit it. You can see what I'm doing right there. You just Now I wouldn't do this on the kitchen counter at home if it's not a really well-made counter. And easy as pie, you've got crushed ice. Okay, so we have crushed ice that we've just crushed. Got it in this bag. We're gonna take the ice, put it in here. There, like that. We take an ounce of our ginger syrup. Measure it all out there. Some more lime juice. I like to use a ½ ounce of lime juice. Now this is going to sound a little on the sweet side. It is, but anything on crushed ice needs more sugar. That's just crushed ice. Like, it's very, very, very cold, and you have to put more sugar in the drink. So that's one of the reasons frozen drinks usually have a lot of sweetness to them. Okay, we're going to do a Kentucky Mule instead of the Moscow variety. We'll keep it in Bourbon County, Kentucky here. And an ounce and a half of that right there. Just give it a quick mix. And then more ice. Okay, now we're going to put a little lime wheel right there, and we'd like to make some candied ginger. So one of the byproducts from making a ginger syrup is you get candied ginger. So we have some of that, and I like to always serve one of these with the mule. And your hay straws, so cut as well, but there you have it. Our version of the Kentucky Mule made with the Alley 26 ginger syrup.